Hello, my name is Makda. I am the area coordinator for graduate housing. I live in Charles Chang in downtown Vancouver. I'm currently a second-year Master of Public Policy student, hopefully graduating this year. So with that, let's get started. To get into the building, you need your fob, and that will get you through the first door. I live in a studio, so I'll share with you a studio apartment, but there are also 2 bedrooms available with a den, like a study space, and a 2-bedroom available without a study space. All right, so when you walk in, there's a really long hallway, but I like to keep my key right by my door so I don't lock myself out. There's a great little nook over here to just keep your jackets and your shoes. That's where I put my stuff. And the first door you'll encounter is the bathroom. So it's a 3-piece bathroom with a sink, that's me, a full standing shower, a step-in standing shower, and as well a toilet. And if you continue walking in, the next little door you'll find is the walk-in closet. This is by far my favorite part of the room because I've always wanted a walk-in closet and I finally got one. There's so much storage in this room. I can literally fit my entire wardrobe plus maybe double in this storage room. And of course, you need a full body mirror to check the fit before you go to class. So that's also a great feature of the room that I love. Now, I'll turn you around real quick to show you the bed area. So, of course, it's a studio, so you'll have everything sort of in the same space. What's really great, though, is it's kind of tucked away and it feels like it's its own room. You have storage, lots of storage up top, and then you also have 3 drawers at the bottom of your bed. So there is no shortage of space in the studios, which was a huge relief. There's also a longer closet right there next to the fridge. I like to use it as my pantry, but some folks will put their jackets and such in there. You'll notice my fridge is kind of cluttered. I collect magnets from places I've traveled, so it makes me feel like I can just get a bit of home. You can also see that it's a fully equipped kitchen. So you have a microwave, stove, oven, more storage above, and a really nice long counter that could also double as a desk if you wanted. Beautiful views. You will never get over how stunning this view is. So a great look down East Hastings, and then you see Victory Square Park there. So as I mentioned, if you're open for concerts, you can head down, but you'll probably get a great view from your room as well. Now, I love painting, and I've hosted a couple events with students where we get to paint, and I like to decorate my walls a bit to make the place more homey. And so you'll see some of my artwork on the wall there. And of course, the little kitchen table, which I use as my workstation and also to have my meals. So that is my room.